The song's about not giving a shit about what anybody thinks about anything. Yeah.